Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I want to show how you can make such a cute tassel garland from tissue paper. It's quite simple and most importantly you can choose any color combination. For example, I chose brown, green and yellow for woodland birthday decoration. Here I use tissue paper 20 by 20 inches. We also will use ruler, rotary cutter, cutting mat and twine. We fold sheet in half. Then cut into pieces equal 5 inches each. For each part we leave 1.5 inch segments untouched. We take several parts together and cut it with rotary cutter into strips. Each strip is half an inch. We unfolded our part, then folded it in half and half again. Now we find the center and twist it. We repeat all other tassels the same way. And the last step, we assemble tassels on the twine. To make this easier, I use a needle and use it to quickly assemble our garland. And that is our completed tassel garland kit. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.